Today I'm gonna show you a cool dual batteries moped style e-bike that costs around $1,000. And if you stick around to the end, you're gonna pay even less. Welcome to the Jansno X70 review.
The Jansno X70 arrived well packaged in a large and heavy box. The assembly is simple and quick, as you can see in my assembly guide video right here. The Jansno X70 is a robust electric bike, a bit different from other moped-style e-bikes I've been testing lately. First, because it's made of steel, not aluminum. Second, it's taller than other similar bikes. Third, it comes with two powerful batteries. Lastly, it was designed to be more affordable. I'm going to go over each part of this e-bike and share my opinion. By the end, you'll decide if this is the ideal electric bike for you. Let's start with the 750-watt motor integrated into the magnesium wheel. The motor is quiet and, with 60 Nm of torque, it has enough power to tackle urban hills and off-road rides. However, because it's a heavy bike, and considering the rider's weight, the motor doesn't offer immediate acceleration. The X70 comes with a top speed limited to 25 km per hour, but you can unlock up to 45 km per hour by disconnecting a cable under the seat. It's not a super fast e-bike, but it's designed to go farther, not for racing. With its two removable batteries, totaling 48 volts, 34 amp-hour. Jansno's website promises a range of about 180 kilometers. But with my weight of 81 kilograms, using pedal assist on levels 3 and 4, and also using the throttle, I managed to travel 82 kilometers. I believe that, with pedal assist on level 1, it could go much farther. The batteries are easy to remove, making the bike practical for anyone who needs to carry it upstairs or charge the batteries separately. I did notice some noise from the top battery while riding on rough, stony streets, which required me to properly secure the base plate. The X70 is equipped with a Shimano 7-speed gear system, but pedaling a moped-style bike like this isn't exactly effortless. The gears don't provide much assistance when pedaling, and at higher speeds, it often feels like you're ghost pedaling with little resistance. The torque sensor works well, responding quickly when you start pedaling, and can be adjusted in the display settings. The assist levels range from 0 to 5, and each level offers different support and speed. With its original settings, the X70 meets the legal requirements for e-bikes in the European Union. The steel frame seems designed for taller people, accommodating individuals from 165 cm to 190 cm and supporting up to 150 kilograms. With a retro design and well-distributed batteries, it offers a stable ride. Riding the X70 feels more like handling a motorcycle than a bike. The rear shock is well positioned and protected by side covers, which add a special touch to the look. However, there are no mounting points for racks or accessories. Two things I think could be improved are the welds, which appear thick and a bit sloppy, and the paint quality, which is easily damaged. The front suspension is sturdy but basic, with no adjustments. For constant off-road riding, you might want to replace it, but for urban use, it works efficiently. Now, the part that bothered me the most, the brakes. The X70 comes with low-quality mechanical brakes. The 160mm discs aren't enough to stop the bike effectively and are very noisy. This is definitely the first thing you should consider upgrading. I recommend a hydraulic brake system, which would be ideal for a bike of this size. At least the brakes are equipped with cut-off sensors for added safety. The motorcycle-style handlebar is comfortable and adjustable. On the right side, we have the rear brake, gear shifters, throttle and ignition key. On the left side, the front brake, light controls, horn, and monochrome display with a USB port, which is useful for charging your phone. The display shows speed, battery level, pedal assist, and trip distance, but unfortunately it doesn't indicate the light status. The X70S lights are amazing and can be activated even when the bike is off. The front light is very powerful, and the side and rear signal lights work well. There's even a license plate holder under the rear light, in case you need to register the bike. The 20x4 Chilo Young tires complement the retro look and provide good stability and cushioning. The plastic fenders offer decent protection on wet surfaces. The seat is large and comfortable, but the kickstand, while functional, feels fragile. Before I share my special discount code, let's recap the pros and cons of the Jansno X70 electric bicycle. Pros: one of the few e-bikes with two batteries and a 750-watt motor on a budget. Ideal for tall people, excellent lighting system, full suspension, stable and comfortable ride, key system for added security. Cons: inefficient mechanical brakes, paint quality could be improved, the weight might be an issue. The right hand grip is loose, causing it to slip occasionally when using the throttle. At the time of recording, the Jansno X70 costs $1,099 with free shipping in Europe and the US and a 1-year warranty. If you use the code BK42Cycles, you save $100. Take advantage of the offer and help the channel continue to grow. BK42 seal of approval. Absolutely. If you're looking for an e-bike with 2 batteries, lots of style, and an affordable price, the Jansno X70 is an excellent option to consider. It offers a stable ride, and with its 2 batteries, you can travel long distances without worrying about frequent recharges.
Alright, that's it folks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, cheers!